to show you how to make the perfect cup of vanilla rooibos tea today. It's one of my very favorites. I drink it at least twice a day. It's healthy, it's good for you, there's no caffeine in it. And especially right now when it's cold outside, it's just a good comforting drink. And I find I've been doing a little bit of the intermittent fasting, and I find that any kind of herbal tea really helps me get through the morning without eating, because if I have a good drink, I'm okay. I usually like to put cream in my tea, and I've read up on it, and you won't be breaking your fast. If you're doing intermittent fasting, if you put a little splash of heavy cream, as long as you're under 50 calories, you're good. And 1 tablespoon of heavy cream is 50 calories. So I try to go just under a tablespoon, and it gives it that really creamy, good taste. So here's how I make my vanilla rooibos tea. Coco wants to say hi. She's all wet from being out in the snow. Isn't she cute though? I love to sip on tea for a few hours, and I was using just a regular mug, a ceramic mug, and it would always get cold on me because I would leave it on the counter, go do something, come back, or forget about it, and it was cold by the time I got back to it. So I would end up putting my mug in the microwave 2, 3, 4 times before I got through my cup of herbal tea. And then I found these really amazing, great double-walled stainless steel vacuum insulated cups, and these keep your beverage warm for 3, 4, 5 hours. So you have plenty of time to just take a sip, put it down, come back, take another sip, and then your herbal tea will never get cold on you. So here's how I make the perfect cup of vanilla rooibos tea. I start with an electric kettle. All you have to do is plug it in, fill it with water, and push this little tab down. And in a short amount of time, I'm talking like 2 or 3 minutes, we will have boiling water. It's actually quite amazing. It's so much faster than stovetop method or microwave method. So I'll show you how quickly this goes. While we're waiting for the water to boil, I want to show you my favorite brand. It is Equal Exchange. I just really love the taste of this. I get all my teas from Vitacost. They have amazing prices, free shipping if you get it up to a certain amount, which is not that much. And a lot of times they will have their teas on sale. So I stock up on these. Okay, already our water's boiled. So here's my tea bag. And this is how I like to prep my tea. So I'm going to put the tea bag in, my cup. I add more vanilla to my vanilla rooibos tea. All of these vanillas are sweetened with stevia, and they're all really great. I've tried several. These are my favorite. They're all good. I'm going to try the French vanilla right now. And I do love these little droppers. It makes it so easy to get. About 5 drops is what I use. You can use up to about 7 or 8, but I like kind of like a medium sweetness. I don't want it overly sweet. So I'm going to add about 5 drops of French vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I love cinnamon in my tea. Not all teas, but this one for sure. So I'm going to give it a good amount. And cinnamon is really good for you too. So vanilla, sweetener, cinnamon, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. And some people want to froth this up. I don't mind. I'm just putting it right in. And then it doesn't make my tea cold either, because I'm putting the boiling water right over the top of it. I just love how creamy this makes a tea. I think it's all the difference in the world. I used to not like tea until I figured out you can put heavy whipping cream in it and sweetener, and now it's one of my favorite drinks. And it's still not bad for you. Okay, there's what I've got so far. Heavy whipping cream, cinnamon, my tea bag, and 5 drops of French vanilla sweetener. And now I'm ready to pour in my hot water right over the tea bag. And I'm going to pour in about, I think this is 14 ounces of water. And I'm not going to get it clear to the top. And then this is important. You need to dunk your tea bag about 5, 6, 7 times. And you can see the color coming out when you do that. And also, since I've got cinnamon in the bottom, you can see a little bit of it came to the top. I'm going to take a spoon and give this a good stir. Okay, so I gave that a little stir. I dunked my tea bag. And these cups are so great. You're going to love it. Okay, so I'm going to let this steep for 5 or 6 minutes and it probably cool down for about 15 or 20 minutes before I drink it. But that's it. That's all there is to it, to getting the perfect cup. Look at the color on that. It smells so good with that cream and the cinnamon and the added vanilla. It's a great drink. I hope you get time to relax and drink your tea today. Thank you for watching.